Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install themes and plugins. So let's start this video. So this is our website. Just open admin area. After that we are going to install themes and plugins. So this is our admin dashboard. Just click this dismiss, and already we have some default plugins. Just go to the plugins area. We don't need these plugins right now, so we are going to uninstall this. Now delete all these plugins. First we are going to install themes. To install themes, just go to appearance and theme section, and here you can see already 4 themes are installed by automatically. By the click on theme, you can delete any theme. Just click on theme, then click on delete. To install a themes, just click on add new, and after that you can see so many free themes are available. You can take any one, or you can search here any themes, or you can search here from popular themes. You can see all popular themes are available. You can work with any one of these. So this is the themes. If we want to install these themes, just click on install, and after installation finish, click on activate. This theme will activate on this site. Just click on visit site to see what happened. So you can see the theme is installed successfully. And if you want to install any paid themes, just click on add new, then click on upload themes, and you can choose files, then upload. So this is the theme forest. From here we can purchase themes and plugins. So many popular themes are here. You can purchase any theme and upload it in our server and work with that. And the second method is just go to the wordpress.org. If we like these themes, just click on these themes and click on download and save it. After that, just go to your WordPress dashboard and click on upload theme, then choose files. Just now we download these themes. Just click on it and click on open and click on install. So it's installed successfully. Then click on activate, and it's activated successfully. Now if we are going to refresh this website, it's completely changed. You can see it's completely changed. So this is the theme installation process. And in this plugin section, we can use any free plugins like this add new. You can add any free plugins. If we are going to install BodyPress, just click on install, and after that click on activate. From wordpress.org we can download plugins. We can also install like this. If you are going to install this plugin, just click on download and save it on desktop. After that, just go to plugins, click on add new, and then upload plugin, choose file from your desktop. After that, click on activated plugin. So thanks for watching this video, friend. Again, I will come up with next tutorial how to make a website with WordPress. Thank you and have a nice day.